Before you make the switch to Kajabi, I think there are 7 really important questions that you gotta ask. And in this video, I'm gonna help you walk through each one of those questions to make sure that Kajabi is right for you. This is actually video number 4 in my video series, Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days. I'm doing 90 straight days of videos about your online business, how to build it, how to grow it on Kajabi and using Kajabi. So if you're thinking about jumping into Kajabi, then definitely use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get 2 really amazing benefits if you do that. You get a free 45-minute Zoom call with me to help you get set up on Kajabi, answer any questions you have about the platform, and get a great start so that you can begin building your business and making money right away. You're also gonna get my $25,000 course launch email template, which was the exact emails and email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in the first 3 launches. I'm gonna give you both of those as a way to say thank you for using my link over at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Okay, so let's get into this. Is Kajabi right for you? There's lots of different questions to consider, and I'm gonna go over 7, but there might be a couple that you're thinking right off the bat. One might be about price. And I covered the price of Kajabi thoroughly in this video right here. So if you're interested to see what you get for the price, then check out this video right here. But setting aside price, I wanna go through 7 questions that really get to the heart of what you are trying to accomplish in your online business. Whether you're far down the road or it's more aspirational. Maybe you're just kind of looking ahead and you're saying, I wanna start making money online and I wanna know if this is a platform that I should jump on at the beginning or if I should wait. Or maybe you're all the way down the line and you have a lot of pieces in place and you're looking to possibly move things over to Kajabi, maybe to simplify, maybe to save money from all these tools that you're using, just going to one. Whatever the case may be for you, I wanna help bring some clarity. So the first question to consider when you're trying to figure out whether Kajabi is right for you is this. Are you wanting to build a business around what you know? Are you wanting to build a business around what you know? Kajabi is a platform where you market your knowledge. So for example, I have a business called Preaching Donkey, and I have courses and a membership site, and I make content all around the subject of preaching and how to communicate better. So my target is preachers and pastors who are looking to improve their communication skills when they preach. So everything that I talk about is about that piece of knowledge. So I'm selling what I know, I'm marketing my experience and my expertise to those people. There are people on Kajabi who market their experience and expertise in all kinds of fields. It might be gardening, or it might be playing a musical instrument, or it might be recording music, or it might be playing the piano. It could be any number of things, but you have to think about, are you selling something you know? Kajabi is not the place to sell physical products. I think there's better ways to do that. So you're in the business of selling what you know through educational products like online courses, membership sites, things like that. So the first question is, are you wanting to build a business around what you know? The second question to consider is, do you want a simplified way to do email marketing? Kajabi is one of the best tools for doing email marketing. When I say that, what I mean is you have an email list that you're trying to drive all of your traffic to. So if you have a podcast, if you're on YouTube, if you have a blog, all of that is designed to get people to opt in, usually from getting your lead magnet. If you want information on what a lead magnet is and what I'm talking about and how to make a great one, check out this video right here. But you want people to get your lead magnet, and then you want them to opt into your email list, because from there is where you're going to offer them your products, offer them your coaching, offer them to join your membership. It all stems from your email. There's lots of pieces of software that run email like MailChimp or ConvertKit, but Kajabi makes it super simple because it's integrated all in one place, and it's the same system that also runs your website, also runs your landing pages, and also hosts your courses. So it's simplified and you don't have to get it to learn how to communicate with your other tools. That's a pretty amazing thing. Question number 3, do you want to sell digital products? Now I talked about this earlier, but Kajabi is a fantastic place to sell digital products, like an online course, both a flagship course or a mini course, meaning flagship that it's a big kind of full end-to-end system, I have a course like that, or a mini course, meaning that it kind of helps your students solve one specific problem. I also have a course like that. Kajabi is an amazing place to build and host and sell those kinds of courses. So it might be courses, might be membership sites. I have one of these as well. All of this can easily exist and happen all within Kajabi. So do you want to sell digital products? If so, then Kajabi might be a great option for you. The next question is do you want to offer a coaching program? Now, coaching is different than a digital program. Coaching requires you typically to be in the moment with the person, but you can use Kajabi to organize all of your coaching clients, to send them offers, to send them a checkout page, to host the Zoom calls, and to keep track of all of who you're coaching. I even have a system where when I'm coaching somebody one-on-one, I upload the video to a private page on Kajabi that they can access forever. That's just one of the many ways that Kajabi helps me manage my coaching clients. The fifth question is do you want a simple way to automate sales? Automated sales are the backbone of a good online business. If your sales are only there when you're launching a product and you don't have a good system for how your courses are being sold 24 hours a day, 7 days a week through the back end of your system, people opting in, people going through your email funnel, people being offered products, people buying the products. You want that kind of thing happening if you want a sustainable, automatic income business. And Kajabi is the tool that puts all of that stuff together and makes it happen. This is what I have, where 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, people are watching my content, opting into my list, going through my email sequence, being offered products, purchasing those products. And I get to make a living from that whole system happening that Kajabi just makes super simple to use and super simple to set up. So we have 2 questions left. Let's dig into them. Number 6, do you want a simple way to do sales funnels? Now, what's a funnel? A funnel is just a way of describing the fact that people kind of start on the top end of your funnel, watching your content, listening to your podcast, reading your blog. And then there's a percentage of them who are going to opt in. They're going to get your lead magnet and end up on your email list. And then if you have a good system like Kajabi and you've set this up, they will go through what's called a welcome sequence, where you're helping them to kind of get to know you and like you and trust you. And then from there, you're going to offer them your product. And when I say you, I mean your system. Kajabi will do this for you through the emails and the sales pages that you've set up. That funnel is something that can get very complicated if you want it to be. But I have found that I can have a profitable business that makes me lots of money in automation 24 hours a day. And that funnel can be very simple, where I understand it, I can see how it works, people go through it without fail. That's what Kajabi can do for you. Now, there's other systems that can do it, but you also have to make those systems work with the other systems that you have, right? So if you have ClickFunnels that makes your funnels, and ConvertKit that does your email, and WordPress that does your website, and then Thinkific that does your course, you've got to make all these things fit together when Kajabi just makes it super simple all in one place. And that leads us to our 7th question, which is, are you tired of having a dozen online tools? Kajabi takes all of these things that I just mentioned, where you host your courses, where you host your website, where you host your email list, how you organize your landing pages and sales funnels, takes all of that and it puts it in one place, all on Kajabi. And it makes it super simple, where you don't have to be an expert trying to make all of these things integrate. It just keeps track of all of it. So those 7 questions are really important to ask if you're thinking about jumping into Kajabi. And if you want to try out Kajabi, definitely use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any content in this series and the other amazing content that we put out. And be sure to leave a comment below and ask me any questions you might have about Kajabi. Okay, so at this point, you can continue in this video series, or you can click on this playlist right here, which will show you even more about Kajabi and help you find out if it's right for you. So click right there and I'll see you in that playlist, or just continue to watch and I'll see you in the next video.